So where is Western Sudan? At one point, the area of Sudan stretched from East Ethiopia to West Africa. At that time, it was not called Sudan, but Soudan, meaning land of Judah. In the latter centuries, this area became known by the slave traders as Negro land. This is where the use of the term Negro originated. So let's take a look at the definition of the word Negro. Negro, a member of a dark-skinned group of peoples who were originally native to Africa, south of the Sahara. The word Negro was adopted from Spanish and Portuguese and was first recorded in the mid-16th century. Notice it says Sub-Saharan African. But when we look at a map of the territories of the sons of Ham in Africa, Phut, Cush, and Mizraim, they are all Northern African or Northern Saharan areas, just as listed in the Bible. But Sub-Saharan Africa was not inhabited by any of the sons of Ham, nor mentioned in the scripture, as we see in these maps. So who are these mystery blacks who show up in these areas? Egypt, Ethiopia, and Libya are all mentioned in scriptures as the original nations of Africa, but no mention of Soudan or the Congo, Kenya, Ghana, Nigeria, Chad, etc. That's why the word Negro wasn't adopted until the 16th century. So we see that the territory of Sub-Saharan Africa, or the Negro, was not the territory of the indigenous peoples of the nations of Africa, Libya, Egypt, and Cush, which proves the Zidorian Bible Dictionary's claim. Ham, the youngest son of Noah, probably born about 96 years before the flood, and one of the 8 persons to live through the flood. He became the progenitor of the dark races, not the Negroes, but the Egyptians, the Ethiopians, Libyans, and Canaanites. As we see again, the areas beyond the rivers of Cush, as the scripture says, is where the Hebrews were and are. This is the sub-Saharan areas of Africa, which the term Negro was designated. Even some of the countries, cities, and tribes in those areas are named with Hebrew names. Chad, for instance, Genesis 46 and 10. And the sons of Simeon, Jemul, and Jamin, and Ohad, and Jachin, and Zohar, and Shaul, the son of a Canaanite woman. The word Chad is taken from the word Ohad, the grandson of Simeon. Also in the country of Chad, there are areas such as Gerar, who is the son of Benjamin. Genesis 46 and 21. And the sons of Benjamin were Bela, and Becher, and Ashbel, and Gerar, and Naaman, and and Rosh, Mupim, and Hupim, and Ard, the Salmit region of Chad also. Salma was the son of Caleb. 1 Chronicles chapter 2, verse 50 through 51. These are the son of Caleb, the son of Hur, the firstborn of Ephratah, Shobal, the father of Kibroth-Jearim, Salma, the father of Bethlehem, Harpath, the father of Beth-Grader, or in the country of Senegal, the capital, Dakar, which Dakar was the father of one of the 12 officers who oversaw Israel under Solomon. 1 Kings chapter 4, verses 7 through 9. And Solomon had 12 officers over all Israel, which provided victuals for the king and his household. Each man his month in a year made provisions. And these are their names: the son of Hur in Mount Ephraim, the son of Dekar in Makaz, and in Shabim, and Beth Shemesh, and Elon Hathan, or in Ghana, the Ashanti tribe, which Ashan was the son of Judah. Ashanti meaning the people of Ashan. Joshua chapter 15 verse 1 and 42. This then was the lot of the tribe of the children of Judah by their families, even to the border of Edom, the wilderness of Zin southward, the uttermost part of the south coast, Libnah and Ether and Ashan. Also because of the dual kingdoms of Cush in Africa and Arabia, the Hebrews who didn't flee to Egypt fled south to Dedan, a province of Cush, eventually settling in Yemen before crossing the Red Sea into South Africa.